lucky, and they're off. By the break, 4, 1, 5, 8, 7, 2, 6, and the 3. Into the first turn, 5 with the lead over the 1, 8, 7, and the 4. Into the backstretch, 5 has the lead over the 1, followed by the 4, 2, and the 6. Into the final turn, 5, 1, 4, 2, and the 7, and headed for home, 5, 1, 4, and the 2. Paid $35.20. The $2 trifecta 542 paid $1,007.60.